I created the Hyaluronic Moisture Boost Serum because I love hyaluronic. It should be in everyone's skincare routine, and it's just a great staple to have in skincare. So in this video, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about this product. I'm going to tell you the key ingredients, the benefits, how to use it, and which skin type best benefits from this product. The key ingredients are hyaluronic acid, aloe, and vitamin E. Now, you've probably heard this many times before, but hyaluronic acid helps to bind water to the skin. It's also something that's found already in your skin cells. Now, this product is, as always, paraben-free and dye-free and not tested on animals. Now, this serum is great for all skin types. It's super hydrating. Like I said, it has the aloe, so it's a great base before you put on a moisturizer. Or if you have oily skin, you can just use this alone. Tons of my customers love to apply it before their makeup, so that's something you can do. Morning and night, you can't go wrong. It's just a great product to incorporate anytime into your skincare routine. So the directions for this serum is you'll take about 2 to 5 pumps, apply to your face. You can also apply to your neck and décolleté, using it morning and night, or just one if you prefer. Then apply a moisturizer if you have combo skin or dry skin. If your skin's oily, you can just use this as a standalone moisturizer.